How to add clickable link to Facebook posts. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Facebook. Then go to what's on your mind. From here, you can simply paste the link of your video and it will be clickable automatically. So that's it. You just have to paste it over here, or it will be posted even if you put it in the caption. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.